In this video, I will tell you about the prevention and precautions of type 2 diabetes. Number 1 is healthy diet. Emphasize a balanced diet rich in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Limit the intake of the processed foods, sugary beverages, and high-fat foods. Number 2 is physical activity. Engage in regular exercises to maintain a healthy weight and improve insulin sensitivity. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intense exercise or aerobic activity per week. Number 3 is weight management. Achieve and maintain a weight management. And excessive body weight, especially around the abdomen, is a significant risk factor of type 2 diabetes. Number 4 is limiting sedentary time. Reduce a prolonged period of sitting and incorporate movement into daily routines. Number 5 is moderate alcohol consumption. If alcohol is consumed, do so in moderation. Limiting alcohol intake can help manage weight and prevent insulin resistance. Number 6 is quit smoking. Smoking increases the risk of type 2 diabetes. Quitting smoking has numerous healthy benefits, including reducing type 2 diabetes. Number 7 is regular health checkups. Monitoring blood sugar levels regularly, especially for individuals with a family history of diabetes or other risk factors. Number 8 is awareness and education. Increased awareness is a main step of type 2 diabetes that you can educate children, women, and adults for their effect of diabetes on their daily routine. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe.